Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Mike at Viking Motorworks. Just want to touch base and let you know what's going on at the shop here. We got lots of stuff happening. Haven't had a whole lot of videos posted just recently, a couple of shorts, but little knickknacks here and there, but nothing serious. I got a bunch more work coming up that I'm going to be putting down a video and posting up. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. That way you get notified when new stuff pops up. I got a bunch of parts in a growing pile around here around the shop. We got BTR, Brian Tooley Racing V2 rocker trunnion upgrade going to be going in because I'm spinning this motor, the LS swap and the vet. I'm spinning that sucker to $6,000 regularly, and it still has the stock rockers and stock trunnions in there. So just for preventative maintenance and to make sure everything's up to snuff, I'm gonna do that upgrade. I got a passenger side hinge shim to try and fix the passenger side door alignment, so I can get the window to roll up all the way and clean up the look of the outside of the car. And I bought one of these. They come in like a 32nd of an inch thickness, and I can fabricate more if I need to. I'll just use this as a template. But these are cheap. God, it was like $5 or $4, piece of cake. I actually got it through Summit, as a matter of fact. It's a regular CA, a California Corvette America, but it was actually sold through Summit for like $5. So I got it with the BTR kit. I got a cheesy chrome brake reservoir, brake master cylinder reservoir cover. I got a Ride Tech power steering box brace. We got an ignition switch going to go in soon. What else going on here? AC parts. I still got to put in my upgraded AC compressor because I pretty much killed the SD5 I put in there. Don't know whether it grenaded inside mechanically or not, but we'll find that out once we get into the system, and I'll run through the diagnosis and all that stuff. But that's a new 7 series. So that's a 7 piston. It's got a higher capacity, higher displacement. It should be a direct bolt-in, but other than that, it's going to be a vast improvement. I've also changed some things in the tune so it goes a little easier on that AC clutch, because I know the clutch is definitely smoked, but whether the clutch is just smoked or whether the clutch is smoked because the guts inside are locked up, we'll find that out yet. Got another stadium chair for a second kayak I picked up for me. We got some brake parts for the big truck. We're going to be doing rear brakes on the Denali. And I'll be running tape on all that stuff and see what's going on. Of course, the C3 is still here. The tune's pretty much done. Man, this thing runs great. I'm real happy with it. I think I'm pretty much done. I took another look at the timing table and added a little more timing in. I need to load that tune in and take it out for one more ride and make sure I'm not getting any knock when I shouldn't, or when getting any knock, period. And I think the tune's pretty much done on it. So it runs great. I'm super happy with it. Smooth, idle's great, trans shift's great, and you really couldn't be any better. What else? Oh yeah, so what's going on with the door? As you notice, it's inset a little bit. The door is in behind the fender, the corner of the nose. And these noses, these are always a problem. It's a one-piece glass nose. They're bonded on. There's no shims. You can't adjust the height, so I can't tuck this corner in any further. It's the way it's been on this car for 42 years. And unless I pull the nose off, which I don't plan on doing, I'm going to have to live with that. And honestly, if you look at 99% of these C3 vets, this front door gap is always a disaster. And this one obviously is much wider at the top, and then this tip flares out much further than the other side, and there's just no adjustment to it. So, but the issue I have is that when I'm driving down the road with the door closed and I roll the window up, that's as far as it'll go up, because no matter how much I adjust this glass out to lean out, it buries itself into the weather stripping here really hard. And so the window goes up so far, and that's about where it stops. So what I'm going to have to do, and what I need to do anyway, is tilt this door out at the top, and that'll alleviate the tension on the top and line the door up better with the fender. And then I can readjust the door pin, the striker pin, and get that cleaned up. And once I get set up in a new shop, I'll start thinking more seriously about stripping the paint off it and getting ready to do the paint job. But other than that, car's tight, man. Car's tight. It's fun. Goes like all hell. Comfortable. Very happy with the conversion, with the work so far. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll post these as necessary. Like I said, I got a lot more work videos going to be coming up, some more tech videos. Good stuff. I've been putting a bunch of shorts up. We've got lots of Maggie the Tiger Dog videos showing up. Everybody seems to really like them. I'm getting great feedback on the Tiger Dog videos and shorts. So I'll keep those coming. And make sure to like and subscribe. You subscribe and you'll get notifications when I post a new video up. It's that simple. And like 90% of my video viewers are not subscribers, and You know, it's just silly, man. I post stuff up all the time, and nice to have it pop up in your feed when you log into YouTube. But thanks for tuning in. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Do it. Do it.